Hey guys, it's Here Customs again, and today we have another huge unboxing. It's in this big box. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, that's cool. So basically, what that is 50 of these Disney blind bags. Series, I don't know, 18 or 19. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing a time lapse of opening these. I'm gonna open one on camera just to see what we have here. I'm not sure what to expect from these. Oh, okay, I got a Mickey Mouse right away off the bat. Just put them together here real quick. Not exactly so sure of everything, but yeah, there's the Mickey Mouse parts just to make this go by faster. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So stay tuned. I'm gonna open all these right now. Alright guys, we are on our last 5 bags, I think. Here's some of the figures I got so far. So let's get into this. And guys, that's all 50 of the characters I opened. I had to do it between 2 days because it got so repetitive. So that'll definitely sway me from getting something like this and doing it again maybe in the future, but we will see. Superheroes would be probably more cool to do because I can, I know more of the characters and stuff because I haven't seen Disney movies in years. So, I mean, here's all 50 of them. I can't even get them in all the shots. But, I only didn't have 2 of them. I didn't have this guy and this woman right here. So yeah, let's get. I'll set them up straighter, and we'll get into them. All right, here are all the characters I got. The rest are just duplicates of them. So by far my favorites are the Minnie and Mickey Mouse, the older versions. I mean, can't ever go wrong with Mickey Mouse, So those 2. Not really sure. This guy kind of looks like the guy from Caroline, but I'm not sure if it is or not. But all of these have tremendous detailing and prints, exclusive parts and everything, which that's what I really liked. Like, I don't even know who that is, but like that shield is a really cool print. And then this guy from The Incredibles. Pretty basic printing, but he has these like icicle things that are pretty cool. And then the other thing that I have to note is be careful when opening them because there's free capes in them. Like one of my first bags I opened, as you could see on the first time lapse, I honestly just cut this cape right in half. So there goes that character. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. The truth.